We'll edit that out. Okay. There we go. The L-mobile. Ladies and gentlemen, which direction are we drawing the L-mobile? If anybody remembers. On the drawing clock, which direction is that? I will give you a hint. Which direction is the L pointing? Yes, my friend. One!
Huh?
One! Direction one. And this is the man who knew. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You are the wind in my hot air balloon. Yes, we go off in direction one. So we start with the letter L, but we don't just do the L flat. We go up, up, up into direction one. So all of our sideways lines here, sideways in quotes, are going off in direction one. All the other lines are going straight up and down. Now we're going to make it three-dimensional. To do that, we're going to go off in what direction for the next lines? Everybody shout it out at once. If you can think of what it is, just shout it out if you know. Just shout it out. So, oh, yes! Very good. Brilliant children. Brilliant. Yes. Yes, yes. I will give you a B flurg for being able to say something that I point at repeatedly. One B flurg for you. That's actually a tilde. A tilde. That is the name of that. It means más o menos.
In other words?
More or less. Right? Más o menos. More or less. About that. See? ¿Habla español? Un poquito. No mucho. Yeah. What? Español. Yeah. Oh, you have to know at least that much Spanish. Goodness sakes. Más o menos. Más o menos. More or less. And colloquially, which means when you're having a conversation with your friends, and they'll say, ¿Qué pasó? They'll say, how you doing, whatever. It's, más o menos. Más o menos. Kind of good, kind of bad. Más o menos. Right? You learn so much when I blather. Okay, so we've got our L car here. Like Dana Elcar, the actor, or Sir Edward Elgar, the composer who wrote Pomp and Circumstance. And now we're turning it into a car, so we need some foreshortened circles. We know that the wheels are circles, but they're going to be foreshortened a bit, huh? Yes, indeed, Reno. And we can see one in the back. Kind of sticking out. So once you've got the basic shapes, you're going to add a line off in direction 7 at the top and bottom, and then round those out. Horse rides. Yes. Thin that one down. There, not that much. And we'll put the axles in them. Actual axles. Nice. Then we're going to shade the wheels, shade the wheels. We got the back here. We're assuming the sun is over here, beating down. We're going to add some shading on this side of our car. Now you can use the side of your pencil. You don't have to use hash marks the way I do. I'll go the other way, make a nice dark shadow. And it's driving away. Going out that direction. Okay. And we have a window. Again, be careful that the window in the side of your L car also has a top and bottom that go off in direction one, right? Yes. Yes, agree with Crazy Man. Yes. He's driving off into the sun. And here is our friend Uni-Ted Bear, who is not looking where he's going, but is instead waving, hello, hello, I'm about to crash into the sun. Coming out the top is, of course, his Uni-Ted horn. I have a nice foreshortened circle. Give him a bigger horn just so that you can see the horn. There we go. There's the tip of his unicorn horn coming out the top. Why does he have a unicorn horn? Well, I'll tell you. Because he eats radioactive honey. So if anybody ever says, hey, would you like to eat some of this radioactive honey? Say no. I prefer not to eat the radioactive honey. Thank you very much.
I have one question.
Only one. I'm stunned. But go ahead.
How is he supposed to get out? There's no door.
How is he supposed to get out? There's no door.
He jumps out the window.
He could jump out the window.
Then how is he supposed to turn the car off? Turn it off, then jump out the window? Exactly.
Did you know that on the other side of the car where you can't see, there are 7 doors?
Are you serious?
Am I serious? Yes, I am. As I always am, because you know Mr. Dawson never makes jokes.
And actually, I have a question. Who's
I-
driving the car?
Who's driving the car? It is, in fact, the Uni-Ted driving the car with no hands and not looking where he's going.
He's one hand out the window and the other one's there.
That's right. And so he says, safety first. That's Uni-Ted there.
Safety first, and then crashing the sun.
Yep. Hi, everybody. I'm not paying attention.
Oh, by the way,
The other way too.
There you go. How do you like that? All right. Harry's and Hermione's, we have got homework from last week. Flying saucer traffic jam. Who's got a flying saucer traffic jam?